Man, I got so much stuff to talk to y'all about today.
Life of a Cleveland, hustler all evening. Haters try to block you on the route, take a scenic. Looking like
Grind gang, what's good? It's your boy, Roll 100. I'm back with that action for you, baby. What's happening? Hey, good morning to all of y'all, man. Good afternoon, good evening. I don't care what time it is, where you at in the world, man. Shout out to y'all. Man, I got so much stuff to talk to y'all about today. Right now, I'm doing an Instacart shift just cause, and I said I wasn't gonna be, well, I didn't really say it to y'all, but I'm saying it, I was gonna kick back a little bit on Instacart, man, cause, you know what I mean? Let me do it so you don't have to, you feel me? We got so many more adventures for 2019, man, and beyond, and you know, I just want to share some of the things that I got going on, and not just particular things. Sometimes, man, we just need to chop it. Sometimes we just need to be there for each other, man, and be the motivation that each other need to get to that next level in life, you feel me? So I feel like as I grow, I want the people around me that's connected to me to grow as well, you feel me? And if we all want that for each other, then it should be some enormous growth, you know, just by a community of hustlers coming together, making it happen, you feel me? So y'all comment on my videos, man. I do appreciate everybody that come here, take the time to watch, man. Man, I don't care if it was just 10 people, 20 people, man, whatever it is, man, just I appreciate y'all, and I just want to let y'all know that when y'all leave y'all comments, a lot of y'all be leaving some really, really good comments, man. Sometimes I read comments from y'all that make me change my whole thought process on things, and I don't change thought processes much. You know what I mean? From outside influences, but I mean, some of the experience that some of the grind gang be going through, man, salute, man. Shout out to y'all, man. Y'all really be out there grinding, man, and I've said this before, but I'm gonna say it again. I know some of y'all might say my hustle might be an inspiration to y'all, and I appreciate that. But honestly, man, a lot of y'all hustle is what inspires me and what motivates me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I got my own. I would hustle anyway because it's in me, but not to this extent, not to this level, not with all the knowledge that I get just from sharing my experiences with y'all, and y'all sharing y'all experiences back with me, man. That makes it like, you know, that I'm walking around, what's that little dude that used to have, you know what I'm saying, Bobby's World, or one of them dudes with that huge head. And I don't mean a big head in an arrogant type way, I mean a big head and it's lots of knowledge, lots of knowledge flowing right now, you know what I'm saying? And I'm digging it right now, you feel me? So let's just keep sharing. Keep on, keep giving me ideas on content. Keep telling me what you think, you know, because I try out y'all things too. And I gotta start, when I start trying out something that somebody suggested to me from the grind gang, I gotta start remembering to make that acknowledgement, like right off the top. Just like, hey, I'm doing this today, and I'm doing this because such and such from the grind gang asked me to do it. Feel me? So
I be on the route to the paper like a bus line. Money transactions move faster than a rapid transit. Slow money, no money, stagnant.
This channel is like none other, so I really want y'all to check this out. Marlon Shillingsford, and I think he changed the name to his channel, but either way, I'm gonna leave a name down in the description, and I'm gonna put it right here, okay? So that I'm gonna put it right here so that, you know, y'all can follow my dude, man. He got some pretty, man, his content is different. Like, I don't really know no channel like his, to be honest with you. You know, it's real, it's funny, man. It's refreshing every time you watch a video But this guy, man, is just refreshing. And they not like long videos. He don't make like 20, 30-minute videos. I don't think he do. If he does, probably will watch it because his content is good enough for that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, check him out. My man, Mr. Marlon. That's my guy. Check him out. So I want y'all to check out all these young hustlers, man. And Grind Gang, you already know what we do. And any of you guys that's if y'all doing YouTube channels, I want to share with y'all a lot of the people that help me or that I follow to help better my YouTube channel. So I got a whole different set of people that I follow for that. But those people right there, those my hustlers, those my people right there. Yeah. So check those people out, man. Those my hustlers, man. Those my Grind Gang, man. All of those people show me love anyway. And it's crazy because these are people that like I look up to out here. I look up to all of these people, man, and I enjoy watching their channels and I enjoy what they do. So, man, you know, take a couple of seconds, go check them out. If you enjoy what you see content-wise on their page, click the subscribe button and become a subscriber of theirs. Y'all got to understand, man, y'all got to stop trying to pit drive share and y'all got to stop trying to pit the hustlers against each other, man. Y'all know what this channel is about. It's the Road 100 experience, man. We bring the hustlers together. That's how you get the money.
I be on the route to the paper like a bus line. Money transactions move faster than a rapid transit. Slow money, no money, stagnant. Life of a Cleveland hustler all evening. Haters try to block you on the route, take a scenic. Looking like